Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Ford F-150, we're talking about generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the instrument cluster, also known as the gauges, is located, guys. The dash on your car on the phone. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So if we come right here, let's explain what we have specifically, guys. This is a 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. You have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood on your F-150 above the radiator, but we don't need this one today. We're going to work on the one that's inside your truck, okay, on the passenger side, under the glove box, in the kick panel. You remove that plastic cover here. Once you remove it, you open the fuse box, and you're going to see your fuses just like that. By taking the picture, guys, and zooming in, we can clearly show you exactly which fuse you need to check. But first, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse we need to check now? We'll be working in that left row right here on the left side. If you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot. Coming from the very top, it will be fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That 10M fuse, guys, right here, that's the one that you need to check. If you count from bottom to top, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fuse from bottom to top. That's known as fuse number F11, guys. F11 fuse. So that fuse will need to be checked specifically, okay? For the instrument cluster, the gauges, if you need to buy fuses and relays at a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.